Sergeant First Class Josh Praney, and Sergeant First Class John Morales. Another Ranger is Staff Sergeant Steve Travers, and from Civil Affairs, Staff Sergeant Chris Hardy. Let's watch them as they steer left, pulling on the left steering line, steer right, pulling on the right steering line, and as they near the ground, pull on both steering lines at the same time for a tiptoe target area landing. With this breeze, it gives them great hang time and the ability to control their descent, making it very, very easy on each guy, gently collapsing their canopies as they clear the target area. High and above, a couple of jumpers are still up above and are doing what is called canopy relative work, where they fly two parachutes together, with a top parachutist being responsible for the direction of flight, and the bottom parachutist being responsible for calling out altitudes as they descend. Make some more noise and bring the Black Daggers in. Flying it downwind along with the wind like an airplane would be at a typical airport traffic pattern, then a 90-degree turn in crosswise to the target, and then turn inbound for their final approach. High and above, we see the two-stack with the smoke, and higher than that, we see what I believe is another two parachutists doing what is called a side-by-side.
Oh, that's awesome.
Setting up for a down plane. The mission of the Black Daggers is to perform live aerial